Okay, now that you've plugged in all your numbers with the words, right? Now you know what the numbers look like with it. What's the first thing that you do? What's your step?
You had to large. You start in the large place and compare it.
So you start in the largest place value, and I see that you've already written out your place value right here. So what's the largest place value that you have here?
2,000.
Okay, so go ahead and compare those two numbers. What numbers do you have?
1 and 4.
Okay, which one is, by your symbol, which one are they saying that's greater?
100 and
We're looking at the thousands place, right? Because that's the first number we compare. Your symbol's pointing this way, so what are they saying? That the 1 is what?
greater than the 4.
Is that, if you go back to your question, is that true?
No,
No, because 1 is what?
greater than the 1. I mean, 1 is less than 4.
So what can we go ahead and put right there on A?
And AX.
Awesome. Now let's go to the next one. What do you need to label?
You have to label the
Place value.
place value.
So you told me your first step is you compare in the largest place value. What's the largest place value you have right here?
1,000.
And go ahead and tell me, what are your numbers that you're comparing?
5 and the 1.
Okay. And according to your symbol, what is it saying?
That is less than
What's less?
the 1 than the 5. So 1 is less than the 5.
It's saying that the 1 is what? What is this pointing to?
To the 1.
So what is it saying, that the 1 is greater or the 5 is greater?
The 1's greater.
Is that true?
No.
So what are you going to do?
Put an X.
Okay. I'm going to go ahead and let you do this one by yourself. I'm going to see what you put next to that letter, and then we're going to go over it, okay? Okay, you labeled your place value.
This is equally, so we're going to go to the next number.
Okay. So you're saying that you compared your thousands, right? And you said that they were what?
Equal.
Okay. So what happens? Does that help you?
No.
So what do you do if the numbers are equal?
Go to the next number.
Okay, and what's the next place value that you have?
100.
Okay.
This helps me because it's a 6 and a 7.
Okay. So how's that helping you? It's saying this one is 6 and this one is 7. What is it helping you?
Because the 6 is less than the 4. 4 is less than 6.
And what is your symbol telling you that it's doing?
That is equal.
Are these numbers equal?
No.
Okay. Okay, you labeled your place value. What's the first thing that you do here?
We start in the largest place, and
Okay.
our largest place is thousands.
Awesome.
So his says here is the 5 and the 4. So
And what is your symbol saying?
that the 5 is greater, and the 4 is less.
And what is your, so what does that tell you?
That the 5 is greater than.
And what are you looking for? Is that correct? Is the
Yeah.
5 greater than the 4? Okay. So if you go back to your question, what is it asking you? Comparison
of two distance is truth, and this one's the truth.
Okay, can you go back and tell me right here what place value helped you figure out that this was true?
The thousands.
Because
The 5 is greater than the 4.
Did you need to go to the next place value and look?
No.
Because why?
Because you already found the one that told you, and then you're gonna get it wrong.